I want to share with you the biggest value we bring for our out-of-town patients. And the biggest value for people with a chronic health condition, which are usually autoimmune in nature, where the immune system is beaten up on the body, is to help you make sure you're working on the right thing, the highest priority. It's kind of like bowling. You got 10 pins here. You got to get that head pin if you're going to have a chance of knocking down all the pins. So you may have Epstein-Barr virus, you may have Lyme, you may have Mercury issues, you may have mold issues, you may have a lot of things that you've been told. But they're not all the head pin. They're not all the main thing to knock down, to take care of. And so when we work with a person, we're going to visually activate the brain in a way that makes reflex points show up. And those reflex points will help us prioritize the mental emotional stresses and the environmental stress that you need to be working with. And then we'll get the brain to reboot around that so that you can handle that better. So as our brain reboots to the emotional stress, it also reboots to the environmental stress. And we're working on one thing. We're working on the head pin, the main problem, the real deal. And that's the best thing that I bring to the table for people that come from out of town to see me, is that I help their body work on the right thing, the best thing, the real deal. And if you're working on the real deal, you got a lot better chance of getting things solved. And so it may be true that you have these different things, but what's the head pin? What's the top thing that you need to knock out to solve this problem? That's the real deal I may be able to help people with. I'm Dr. Michael Winters, Winters Wellness Chiropractic Redefined.